we go! This is what I've been waiting for. Yes! You're activated! Alright, shut it now.
Northwestern Fairfield County, South Central Delaware County, Southwestern Licking County.
Let's go.
Until 3:30 p.m.
Awesome.
At 2:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Powell, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Tickerington, Worthington, Bexley, Pawhuska, Powell, Canal Winchester, Minerva Park, The Ohio State University, Beechwood Trail, Polaris, Easton, Summit Station, and Granville South. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 101 and 121. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 108 and 125.
Did you see? They activated it there. This one activated.
You're listening to NOAA Weather. All
That's really cool. Oh my, ILN came in so late that time. They came in like, what, 5 seconds after the same tone started.
Chance of rain 70%.
What could we do?
Partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. North winds around 10 miles an hour.
Alright, mental scale says, watch possible.
North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northeast after midnight.
Romans. Oh wait, yes it did. Oh wow. Perfect. That's actually really good. Let's go look outside. Oh, where'd you come from? Hello. Cat MP4.3. Hello. Come inside. It's about to start raining soon. Anyway, out here, it's thundering. Yo! SVA, oh god. Alright, we need some tones. Oh god, here we go. Shoot, this is gonna...
I'll monitor ILN as well.
For yes! Oh god. Wait, this is an SVR. What?
Southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Northwestern Fairfield County, Northeastern Pickaway County, until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Columbus, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour.
Wait, what's that?
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh, it's for Fairfield again.
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Tickerington, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, Baltimore, The Ohio State University.
Yo, imagine this could be a double header, but just with a different alert.
Urban Crest, Valley View,
Oh, it's 20 possible. Oh, okay.
includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between
SVRT, I guess.
112. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 100 and 114.
Is this gonna be a double header? Just for the SVA? Yes! Here we go! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Shut up!
Issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 10 p.m.
For
This
10
watch
until
includes
10.
the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin.
Oh my god, a double header.
Licking,
No!
Licking, Madison,
Wait.
Muskingum, Perry.
Wait!
Dog and cat foods are sustainable and responsibly sourced with certified proteins and no antibiotics. Feed your pet.
Severe weather, including large damaging winds close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television, or internet.
I got 25% off Nike
They're not gonna.
Information. You are listening
Oh
to
man,
NOAA
no
Weather.
triple header. He's in. Oh shit!
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Guernsey County, Southwestern Coshocton County,
Oh,
Central
Coshocton.
Muskegon County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Iceberg, or 8 miles north of Zanesville.
I'm gonna turn everything up.
At 30 miles an hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
Oh, some power
Locations
outages. Okay,
impacted
nice.
include Zanesville, Cambridge, New Concord, North Zanesville.
Oh, I didn't have Pittsburgh up.
Iceberg, Pleasant Grove, Norwich, High Hill, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Otsego. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 156 and 178. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 47 and 49. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for southeastern Franklin, northwestern Fairfield, and northeastern Pickaway counties.
Why are the EOM tones on the 300? Right, well then.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio, southern Delaware County, northwestern Licking County, northeastern Madison County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Powell, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include
Strong
Columbus,
thunderstorm.
Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard,
Event.
Pawhuska, Powell, Johnstown, Sudbury, Plain City, Minerva Park, New California, Valeris, Easton, Summit Station, and Whitehall. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 111 and 132. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio.
Well then.
Mutual, Rosedale, Rizaka, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Plumwood, and New Moorfield. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 67 and 81. To report hazardous weather conditions, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media.
What? Oh, now it's for our county again, isn't it?
Southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Fairfield County,
Oh, yeah.
until 4:30 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh my gosh!
Expect hail damage to roofs,
Mason, did you just hear that?
and vehicles. Expect wind
Wait, Mason,
damage
did
to
you hear
trees
that?
and power lines. Locations impacted
That
include
was insane.
Lancaster, Pickerington, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Lithopolis, Carroll, Sugar Grove, Rushville, West Rushville, Fairfield County Airport, U.S. Route
That was
22
so
and
loud.
State Route 159,
That was
Clearport,
so loud.
North Bern, and Dumontville. Here is a special weather statement. For the warning will be allowed to expire.
What the heck?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Wait, what the?
southeastern Champaign County, northeastern
Oh,
Clark
no.
County, Madison County,
Zone
until
guard failed.
4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Choctaw Lake, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour, gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, Choctaw Lake, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, Catawba, Newport, Chenoweth, Lily Chapel, Madison Lake, Plumwood, Big Plain, and Wrightsville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 65 and 84. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 80 and 87. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, western Monroe County, southeastern Muskingum County, central Noble County, until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of New Concord, or 13 miles east of Zanesville, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source,
That first
radar.
one was a joke.
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Caldwell, New Concord, Dudley, Cumberland, Bell Valley, Sarasville, Dexter City, Norwich, High Hill, Chandlersville.
Term assignment. Candidates are eligible with a...
Includes the following highways.
Holy crap, that was
Interstate
loud.
70 in Ohio between mile markers 162 and 170. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 33.
Love my job.
Now for the
Finally.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington
said
has
shut
issued
up.
a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County, central Hocking County, until
Now
5:15
they, oh
p.m.
god.
At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lancaster, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour.
Oh, so close to being a
60
doubleheader.
miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
One of these videos is not having
Expect
good
wind
reception. I
damage
think
to
it's this one.
trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Logan, Nelsonville, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Star, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Rushville, West Rushville, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Hideaway Hills, Haydenville, Lake Logan State Park, North Bern, Enterprise, Union Furnace, Rockbridge, and Oroville. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County is canceled. A severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include London, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, Lisbon, South Solon, Midway, Newport, Chenoweth, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Madison Mills and Bookwalter. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 68 and 80.
Game mode. Carter, you changed the game mode and we're on aquarium. Now we're a team, you freaking stupid. Wait, babe.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette
Just
County,
gonna do
Ohio, southwestern Pickaway
Carter,
County,
you're right here.
northwestern Ross
Where?
County until 5:45
Oh,
p.m.
you're that brown
At
dude.
4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Sterling,
Well,
moving
no,
southeast at 50
put it
miles an hour.
in the game.
70 miles an
Why is my
hour.
head not going backwards?
Quarter-size
Get
hail.
over here. Carter!
Radar
I'm in a
indicated
situation myself.
minor
I
hail
can't!
to vehicles
I
is
can't
possible.
see
They're
the
grabbing
game,
me,
bro.
bro. They were grabbing me.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted
Let go.
include
Oh, what a save!
Dude, I knocked him out.
Bloomingburg, New Holland,
What
No!
on me?
Carter!
Just get beat now. I get an active kill in my body. I thought it was
Andersonville,
free.
Austin,
I'm
Jackson,
just kidding.
Madison Mills.
Oh, that was
Pickaway,
look up!
This includes I-71 in Ohio between miles 66 and 75.
What a finesse. Carter, it's me. Bro, I finessed
The
this
severe
squid on this so
thunderstorm
many
warning for southeastern Fairfield
Oh,
and
no.
northeastern Hocking counties is canceled.
No!
Jasper Hills, Madison.
Tornado?
Yes! Hang on, let's pause a second.
Well, Carter,
I wanna see
we'll
who this
wake
is
up
for.
really early, and then
Let's see.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Pickaway County, north central Ross County until 5:45 p.m.
he
Wait,
is
hang on.
5:20
149.
p.m. A severe thunderstorm
Lost
capable
shore.
of producing a tornado was located over New Holland, moving
Will he
southeast
get
at 30
to?
miles an hour.
Let's see.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar.
The fire! And he scored!
Flying will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
2 out of 10.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to
What a
roofs,
pass.
windows, and vehicles will occur.
Back to back.
Tree damage is likely.
Ow! You're cheating! That was a such lucky bounce. It bounced off the wall and hit.
Take
It
cover now.
went.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of
Block
the
my
building.
James! Block my
Avoid windows.
Block
If you are
my
outdoors,
James!
in a mobile
Corner
home,
kick.
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What about? No way!
No!
And weather.
That's not
This is.
I called Oh my
And
god.
you can report via social media when you can do
He's
so.
got 2
safely.
goals, so if he scores 1 more, I'm out of it.
I'm just
The
throwing
National Weather
punches
Service
at
in
him.
Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm
Wait.
warning for
I'm just running
southeastern
around
Fayette County,
spamming
Ohio,
punches.
northeastern Highland County, Ross County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:24
Outta
p.m.,
here.
a severe thunderstorm was located near New Holland, moving
Oh,
at
reversal!
35 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicators. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
For the
outbuildings.
win.
Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Washington Courthouse, Greenfield, Kingsburg, Kingston, Bainbridge, New Holland, North Folk Village, Sunken, Good Hope, Frankfurt, Clarksburg, South Salem, East Monroe, Mooresville, Austin, North Houston, Ross Mills, Masseyville, and New Martinsburg. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for
Feeling in my bed.
southwestern Pickaway